One of my students found her affiliate marketing niche in just 9 minutes. Yes, in just 9 minutes. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and if you're someone who is struggling to find your affiliate marketing niche, I will help you find your niche in this video. Before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on anything. Okay, so please grab your notepads and pen and take notes because you will find your affiliate marketing niche in this video. Okay, so let's jump in. Before telling you how she found her niche, I will tell you what is a niche. Okay, in affiliate marketing, you might have heard niche a lot of times, but what exactly is a niche? In the simplest of words, a niche is a small segment of a large market. Okay, for example, if health is large market, then yoga for boosting immunity is your niche. Then if technology is large market, then webinar tools for coaches is a niche. Okay, in the simplest of words, think of a niche in terms of a cake. If a cake represents the large market, then a slice of that cake represents a niche. Okay, so I hope the definition of a niche is clear. Now I will tell you why you must choose a niche for affiliate marketing. Okay, I will give you 3 reasons. There are many reasons, but I will give you the top 3. The first reason is targeted audience. When you choose a niche, you address a specific group of people who face similar challenges, pain points, they have similar desires, they have similar goals. And when you choose a niche, you address only that audience, you talk only to them, and you create content only for that audience. So when you choose a specific target audience in a specific niche, they find value in your offerings and you become an authority in that area. The second reason to have a niche is to stand out from competition. See, there are many affiliate marketers who are doing general things. For instance, they say they are an affiliate of health niche and they promote all the products related to health. When you drill down, when you niche down to a specific area, for instance, yoga for boosting immunity, you stand out from them and you become known only for that one particular topic. Okay, and as my mentor says, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than being a small fish in a big ocean. Okay, so when you choose a specific area or niche, you stand out from that competition, and as I said, you become known for that thing. Okay, and it also makes it easier for your target audience to find you and trust your recommendations, since probably you'll be the only one in that specific area. Okay, and the third reason to have a niche for affiliate marketing is that it is very easy to promote affiliate products. See, when you are known for one topic in affiliate marketing, it becomes very easy to identify your target audience. And when you identify your target audience, you understand the challenges, pain points, desires, goals, and needs, and you can create content and choose products accordingly. Okay, and I've experienced that when your marketing efforts, when your affiliate marketing business is focused on a specific group of people, then you tend to get cost effective results. Okay, you save money and you get results. Okay, so those are the 3 reasons for having a niche for affiliate marketing. Now please grab your notepad and pen and take notes, because now I will tell you how my student found her niche in just 9 minutes. Okay, so there are 5 things or 5 steps that we followed in an exercise. Okay, the first step, in fact the model is called the 5P model, where there are 5 P's. Okay, and I learned it from my mentor Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar, and I want to thank him before I share the model. Okay, so the first P of the 5P model stands for passion. Choose a niche that you are passionate about. Do not chase money. Do things that you love. Okay, if you are passionate about health, choose the health niche. Don't choose technology just because AI is booming. Okay, choose the thing that you love. Okay, then, or what you can do is make a list of all the things that you love. Okay, let's say I love playing cricket, I love listening to music, I love designing websites. Okay, so let's say these are my passions. Then what I'll do is I'll go to step 2. First step is to list all the things that you are passionate about. Okay, then the second P is problems. Identify problems related to your passion. Okay, while playing cricket, I don't think I will solve problems. Yes, I can play for India, but playing for India is a long shot and I don't think I'll be able to do it. I can if I try, but it will be a long shot. Then listening to music. Will listening to music solve problems? I don't think so. Then third thing, designing websites. Will designing websites solve problems? If I would give you a rough answer, the answer is yes, because after COVID, many businesses have shifted online. And when you go online, the first thing you need is your website. So yes, I can solve problems of people who want to design a website. Okay. Then the third thing to identify is persona. I need to identify people who need help to create their websites. Okay. I will identify the problems. I'll go to Google and type problems solved by having a website. Okay. And I will get a long list. Then I'll go to ChatGPT or any AI tool and I'll type this prompt. Simple prompt. Okay, or if you want you can give a better prompt, but I give this simple prompt and AI will give me the kind of people who need a website. Okay, once I've identified the persona or the target audience, I'll go to the fourth P, which is potential. Does my passion that solves problems of a specific persona, does it have the potential for the fifth P, which is to get me paid? So in all, your passion should solve problems of a specific persona and it should have the potential to get you paid. Then you can choose that as your niche. Okay. If I go to Google and type how much does creating a website cost, it is around 10,000, 20,000. Okay, so if I create 5 websites, I will easily make, let's say the basic cost of a website is 10,000. It is higher, but let's say it is 10,000. If I design 5 websites a month, I'll make 50,000 rupees. Okay, so your passion must solve problems of a specific persona and should have the potential to get you paid. Okay, if you want to see the exercise that I did with my student, you can enroll in my community. Okay, I'll place the link in the description box. All right, so by following this 5P model, I was able to help my student find her niche in just 9 minutes. Yes, I helped her find her affiliate marketing niche in just 9 minutes. Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to do affiliate marketing the right way? I'm sure you would have heard about affiliate marketing. You might think it is an exciting prospect, it is an exciting business model. Probably you want to do it. So, do you want to do affiliate marketing the right way? I know you come across many videos and you get confused. So, do you want to learn the exact methods of becoming a successful affiliate marketer? If yes, do you want to sell once and earn over and over? You know, there are products that offer a recurring commission, which means you have to sell once and until your customer renews their subscriptions, you will make a commission. For instance, let's say if you use Netflix, you would have experienced that you bought Netflix once, you created your account once, and let's say you took a monthly membership or an annual membership. After that period ends, you renew your subscription. Let's say you promote a product that is on a subscription basis. Let's say you sell once and until your customers renew their subscriptions, you will make a commission. You know, just like Netflix, you buy once, you renew your subscription, and if that were a product, you will make a commission. Okay, so if you want to sell once and earn over and over, I request you to register for my webinar by clicking the link in the episode description. In the webinar, I will share 3 secrets through which you can become a successful affiliate marketer, and following those 3 secrets, I've made 3,54,375 rupees in 5 months. Okay, so that's about this video. In this video, I shared what a niche is, why you must have a niche for affiliate marketing, and I also shared the model that helped my student to find her niche in just 9 minutes. So if this video provided you with value, Please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.